touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
See? Tico, don't take food.
Go food. Yeah.
Use your paws up. There you go.
Hey. You want food?
Pip's meows are so cute, and I finally got a video of it.
What the fuck, dude? Hello. Get the fuck out. Oh my god. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Miles, are you stuck? You good?
Are fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick this up one little kernel at a time. And you're gonna like it because I'm fucking fed up with your bullshit. I'm gonna be a horrible father one day because of you fucks.
Le robaría a nadie su hombre y menos ese marido.
Kan det lära ni?
Hey!
Good morning, Snowball. Ow. Hi, Snowball. Hi. Good. Bingo. Mutlu musun? Ağzın acıdı değil mi salak? Ağzın acıdı.
You ready to go to bed?
It looks like your roots are growing out. I think you're gonna need another bleach.
Are you serious? Hey. Stop. Stop.
Boots. Don't make.
God! Ah! Fucking got me good at it. That's right, son of a girl. Ah, that fucking killed.
Oh my god.
My claws like stuck in me.
Come on rồi hả?
What are you doing?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto. Go. Go, fat mama. Get her. Get her. Get her. This isn't Tom and Jerry. Come on. Aw, man.
It's a full-time job, and it's extremely time-consuming, and it's not as easy as it may appear to.
Call now to speak directly to an attorney.
Finally, all the trash is out. Well, most of the trash, and this thing's looking pretty damn good. Shut the f—
Amira? Amira? Amira?
What are you doing, Bo? You frozen?
Guess what, friend? Fishy time!
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, lovely. Nice one!
Jump, dude. Oh, sorry.
Hi. Hi.
Що ти робиш? Oh.
Give him a minute.
Dummy. Oh, dummy.
Attenzione pickpocket! Attenzione borseggiatrice!
Connections is because everything is based in truth. That was the point where we began to become the voice.
My seat. My seat.
Nova won't give up Dad's chair. Okay, there you go.
I need this piece here. Any luck?
Milo, guess what you're getting for Christmas? A puppy.
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
Ben de seni ısırırım o zaman.
Hey, you sleeping in the food.
Cupid, the economy's in shambles. We're gonna have to start monetizing you.
Shake your ass.
No.
¿Alguna vez te has preguntado cómo afectan a nuestras mascotas el uso constante de collares con cascabel? Mientras que los collares con cascabel pueden ser...
So cute. Jesus. Oh my god.
Pink Cheeto? What is it?
Оп, ты стой!
Stop. Stop it. Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Who let the cat out of the bag? I'm surprised you could even get yours out.
Oh! That was my motherfucking...
Sini, lewat sini nih lo, kayak temenmu. Ini lo, sini. Heh, sini, sini, sini. Heh, sini, 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 terus, terus. Nah, itu lo.
Israel.
아구 잘 올라왔어. 아구.
Work out for so long on your bike and realize you've been doing it wrong this whole time? I mean, clearly, what was I thinking? What?
Sorry.
Gente, me iba a acostar, pero me di cuenta que tenía el diablo.
Kill John Lennon! Kill John!
Here, hold it for me. Thank you.
Mì qua này. Mì kêu qua này.谁叫你咬的？
Binks, what's wrong? Pinky! What's wrong? Binks, what's wrong?
Days in the life of one of these weird-looking things.
Yeah. Here we are, and I'm trying to drink my milk. No, please, please, please. You. Hello.
Ben Riley. Yeah, Riley. Timón. ¿Qué estás viendo, papi?
We need this piece here. Any luck? Send it to one of the girls.
Thanksgiving will be right.